So task 3 is pretty simple. It's more or less 10% marks, and it's quite easy to get. You're shown a entity relationship diagram in the sheet. It's very simple. There's only one relation with several fields, so we can see ID, title, synopsis, genre, etc. So the only thing you really have to do here is use PHPMyAdmin or whichever database management tool you want to use to create this single table. And then to get the marks, because we can't see everyone else's database, we need to export the structure, and probably with some data in it as well, to show that you've actually completed this part. So there's not an awful lot to show you here. On my local Mac, obviously using the department's web server, scomp. On my local Mac, I've got PHPMyAdmin running. This might be a slightly different version from what you're used to, but more or less the functionality is the same. I'm in the movie table. You can see I've got ID, title. I've matched all the different types of data that's going to be stored in these fields, and any extra things like auto increment have been added. So all you have to do here is find the export function, follow that through. You can ignore most of this. We're just going to have it in SQL format. That's fine. All of this can be ignored. Tell it to go, and you'll get some plain text output. So all you have to do is copy this, copy it into your text editor. So for me, I end up getting something like this. So I can see all these comments, and then see the table structure for movies. So it creates the SQL code required to recreate the database table. And then I already inserted manually one of the movies just to illustrate that. So some data was already in the database. And that's all you have to do. You just need to save that as a text file, include it in the zip file, and it's an easy 10%.